Good morning, friends. I think the youngsters, most of you, might have seen the film Aparichithudu. Mr. Chian Vikram, he is the hero. About 10 years or 15 years back it came, and actually the behavior pattern, psychological behavior pattern. Sometimes, particular time, you will be very happy, and immediately next moment split personality, it's called split personality, and immediately he gets angry. So this split personality was shown beautifully by the I think by director Shankar maybe, and the hero, we know the hero's only Mr. Vikram. So it's called as Aparichithudu. Right. Similar incident took place, or similar action displayed by a woman, a mother, on her child, on her 2-year son, and she was arrested recently. It happened in Tamil Nadu state, of course, bordering to Andhra. It happened in some Tiruchengood or some area, right? So Satyamangalam. So Satyamangalam police, they arrested a 22-year-old woman, Tulasi her name, on beating her 2-year-old son, and that too, and this act was filmed on a video. Actually, this incident took place in February 2021. It surfaced very recently, and once the video has gone viral, the police took sumo action. They made inquiry. Ultimately, they came to know that she has come to her native place in Chittor district. They picked her up and charged her on 2 sections of law. Right. So now she was charged under section 323 of the IPC. You all know it is a voluntarily causing simple hurt, 323. It is a grievous hurt, 324. Then 355, that is using criminal force or assault on a person to dishonor the person. Likewise, they added Juvenile Justice Act also. Juvenile Justice Act also. That is section 75. 75 says abusing the child. It's getting time. Okay. Abusing the child comes under section 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act. So, if we go into the just brief facts of the case, this woman Tulasi was married to Vadinandan, Mr. G. Vadinandan, about 5 years back. Both of them are some laborers, and of course they were blessed with 2 children, a girl and a boy. So girl is aged about 4 years, and this boy is just 2 years. Of course, the differences cropped up between them, between the wife and husband. They could not settle the issue, even to the elders. Ultimately, they approached the court and incidentally, they filed an application for divorce also. Therefore, actually they were staying in the Satyamangalam area. So since the differences have cropped up and she could not live with the husband, so she discarded him, or she came out from her in-laws house. Now she came back to Chittor district where she was staying with parents and she was staying with the children also. Chittor district, right. So actually already she was having the broken marriage, definitely in a frustration stage. Of course, children do not know the difficulty, so children might have asked her for something, and she has beaten him. The video shows the blood was oozing from his mouth, and she was clearing the same, and once for some time she is saying, how are you received? No, she is clearing the same. Immediately she starts beating him. So definitely should have got that split personality. But if she got that split personality, she could not have videographed the same. Actually, how this has come is husband, even though they were divorced, incidentally he took charge of her phone. Very recently, I think some relations have been continuing. So he took her phone, he opened the folder, and he saw this video, and he has copied the same to his phone, and he has made it viral. Actually, that's how the police came to know Mr. Vadinandan. He has actually ignited the entire trouble. So the video of thrashing the son and cooling him, it has gone viral, and Tulsi has become another Aparichithudu, and now, of course, these are very simple sections, they might have given bail also, but as a mother, she should not have done that. Even though the children are not good, mother's affection we cannot compare with anybody. But still, there are such types of women also. You can call her as Aparichithudu. Anyway, this is a good incident where normally you may be not in a position to tell the sections of law under which she has to be booked. That's why I am particularly specifying the sections of law 323, 325 as well as 355 as well as of the IPC as well as section 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act. If anybody wants information, but such incidents may not happen, but when it happens, definitely you can utilize these sections of law. Thank you very much.